To assign miniPCR digital activities to your students, you'll first need to onboard your students into classes. In this video, we'll show you how to create classes and how your students can join them. To create a class, log into your miniPCR digital account and click the Classes tab on your dashboard. Click the Create button and enter the name and description for your class. Select the activities you'd like to assign. Note that to assign a paid activity, you'll need to apply a license to your class. Once your class is created, the platform will automatically generate an 8-digit alphanumeric class code. Students will use this code to join your class. To share the code, click the copy icon next to your class name, then distribute the code to your students. Students should follow this process to join your class. After creating their free student accounts on miniPCR Digital, they should go to the Classes tab in their dashboard, then click the I Have a Code button at the bottom of that screen. Enter the class code into the dialog box and click Continue. If the class code is valid and the class is not at capacity, they'll be added to your class. Any activities you assign will appear on their dashboard when they click the View icon next to your class. By default, classes on miniPCR Digital have a capacity of 40 seats. If you need to increase the number of seats in your class, you can purchase add-on packs from the miniPCR store. Once you've redeemed the add-on pack licenses at digital.minipcr.com, go to your class and click the pencil icon next to the class's name. Then click the Add Students button. You'll notice the capacity of your class increase after the add-on pack has been applied. You can use the Archive function to retire classes that are no longer active. Archive your class by clicking the pencil icon to edit your class, then clicking the Archive Class button. Be aware that archiving a class is irreversible, and once archived, your students will no longer have access to your assignments.